Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back to Grange Vlogs. Finally, today you get to see our curry mutton video. Curry mutton is a favorite in Jamaica, but obviously curry goat is the main deal. But when you're in these foreign countries, sometimes it's very hard to get goat. So mutton or lamb is the next option. So join me as I show you how I do my curry mutton. For 4 hours it's been marinating for. I wish you could smell this. 15 minutes later, it's been cooking on 230 for about 15 minutes. So I'm going to turn it down now, the temperature to about 160, 170 degrees, and let it simmer for the next hour and a half into hour and a half, hour and 45. Halfway through, I haven't had any water yet, so I'm going to add the boiling water now to speed to help cook the meat, because as you can see, it's been cooking in its own juices. See? Just start catching the bottom. This is 3 pounds of mutton. Add in the boiling water. So a bit more, you don't want too much, you just want it to get about halfway up the meat. You don't want it to boil, you still want it to steady and brown through. So another hour to go. Half an hour to go, guys. And this is what we've got in that pot. I'm just gonna check it with a little. Quite tender. fork is cutting through it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add in my potato, one large potato. I cut some of them small because I want them to mash out, and some a bit larger. And I've got spring onion or scallion, and I've got 2 onions, and I've got 1 medium carrot. I'm going to add a little bit more water, and of course my scotchy. And cover that, and next half an hour is supposed to be done. Remember to strain off that oil. Your arteries will love you for it. Trust me, I've worked as a cardiology nurse for over 3 years, so I know a little thing or two about the arteries and the heart and how to look after it. Please, please, please strain off that oil. It's not worth it. Okay, so this has been cooking for a good 2 hours 15. It's falling off the bones. Effort. Beautiful. Nice and good. As always, thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself and each other, and God bless. Let me know in the comment section how you cook your curry mutton or your curry goat. What do you minus? What do you add to make it extra special? Let me know down below. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.